Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of February 24th through the March 2nd. So last week I wanted to show you how that ended up. This kit is from Daily Dose of Stickers, so it kind of went like so. I did some cleaning, my dad called, I did get my nails done. One of my residents picked my nail color, so he was super excited when I showed up to work Friday with it. Did some dance classes. My daughter was sick this weekend, so I didn't go to dance this day, but I did go to dance this day. Went to the gym a lot, got my steps in, went to work. I did start that Handmade Secrets, and I'm about halfway through, quarter way through. So we're going to continue that this week. But for this week, I am using a kit from Sara Marie Stickers. It is kit 225. This is the sampler. I already have some of my scripts on there. Here is one of the other pages, the decorative page that I got for it, and then the full box page. So we're just going to go ahead and get started. Let's see. I'm going to take this thicker washi here. So this week is my sister's birthday, so that's cool. I am going to use this kit because it's the last kind of Valentine's-y kit. So I'm gonna put that down, and then we're gonna flip it to the other side and do this one like so. It's been a pretty good week so far, not too crazy, except for my daughter being sick. She had a fever, thought she was getting an ear infection, but it never came about. Let me see if I'm in frame. Okay, let's go ahead and do the sidebar over here. I'm gonna use this heart one. So we're gonna put it here. All right. And then I'm going to do the reading. Let's see. Put this box down. So she has a script for reading. So I'm going to put that kind of in the middle, and then my step counter box, which I just ordered a new band for my watch because it is like making my skin break out down here, so that's never fun. And then I'm going to use this here for some to-dos. So she has a to-do script. I don't think there's much to do this week. I got all my cleaning done today and yesterday, so we'll just put a couple of these circles down, like so. Okay, now for the top, I'm gonna put this, this thin washi up here to cover up the dates on the actual planner. And then I pulled, since I didn't order the date headers, I pulled these, are from Simply Smith Stickers, and I'm just going to put them down just a little bit so you can still see that pattern through. I just picked a gray color that matches this kit, and then we will do that on the other side. Like so. It's my weekend to work next weekend, so I will be at work. And then my husband has off. He actually is applying for a couple new jobs. I think he's just kind of over his place. He's worked there for about 7 years, but they just keep jerking him around, and that's never fun. All right. Let's get into frame here. Let's start out with the day today. So we're going to start off with the work schedule. Monday he works, and then kids will go to school. Hopefully my daughter's better and she can go to school tomorrow. I'll put that at 8. And I'll go ahead and put this trash day out before that because my son takes the trash out. And then we don't have anything until the evening. My daughter has gymnastics from 4 to 7. So she's going to get there a little early. I'll put that there. And then I have dance from 5 to 6:15. Where's the box at? There it is. There, and then, oh, we might have to go up a little higher. I think I did that last week too. Since I have all these boxes, I used one of these half boxes for my home health guy. So we'll put that down. And then dance. And then here. So busy afternoon. Tuesday, I will go to work, and then the kids will go to school, and then I don't have anything else except for my Sissy. She's in here with me. She's not feeling the greatest. Private pay there. Wednesday, I will go to work again. Kids will go to school. And then we have the gymnastics. 4. And then Wednesday is actually my sister's birthday. So there's a happy birthday sticker, and then I just put her name in one of these half boxes here. So I'm going to put this up here. And that's it for the first half of the week. Am I still in frame? Thursday, my husband goes to work. And then I actually don't have anything until I go to work that night. Put that there. Friday, he works. Oh, the kids go to school Thursday, Friday. Put it right at 8. My niece has actually been bringing my son home because she has her license now, so that's a whole thing. And then Friday, I have dance. It's our glow dance. So it's going to be from 8 to 9. So I will go to my home health guy a little earlier. And then I think that's it. Saturday, I will have dance from 9 to 10. That there. And then I actually go to work from 2 to 10. So I don't go see him that night. And then Sunday, I work 6 to 6. And then go to his house. Oops, I put an extra one on here. That's okay. Like so, unless I missed one. Yes, I did. Alright, put that there. Alright, the other thing is I need to put payday. We both get paid this week, so I'll actually get paid 3 times, so that's nice. I'll put it up here. And then I think that's it for that. Let me put in the gym days. So let's see when we want to go to the gym, because I've not been very good at going to the gym on the days that I work. So I picked these green scripts from Orange Umbrella Co. And we have these little flags we could use. We'll probably use that. So Monday I'll go to the gym. I'll go early while they're in school. So I'll put that up there. Like so. I made it 20 minutes on the stair climber thing yesterday, which is pretty cool. I only made it to 10 all the other times I went, so that's nice. Probably won't go Tuesday or Wednesday. And then I'll go Thursday. Again, probably right after I drop them off at school. Oops, there's a workout strip there. Save that for later. And here. And then Friday, I'll probably just do the same thing. Right after school, go to the gym. And then on Saturday, I'll go right after my dance class because my husband will be home and he can watch the kids because they don't have any childcare or anything there. So that'll be nice. All right, let's put down this weekend banner here. I like to put it down here. And then we'll probably clean. So we'll put this script on this pink little sticker here. We'll probably clean on Thursday. So let's do there. And then I'll put some of these little tiny dots down. Hopefully the house stays semi-clean. Last night was kind of crazy. At about 11:45, I smelled smoke and went down because I thought I had left something in the oven from dinner, and it turns out 2 houses down, something in their bathroom caught fire, and it spread to their like master bedroom, and they had 4 animals in there, and they got them out, but she said that the rooms are done, so that's very unfortunate how that happens. But I thought it was something in our house, so it freaked me out a lot. Okay, let's put these full boxes in. Are we in frame? Yes. Put a darker color in here. And then we will do, let's do this plaid. We'll do it up at the top here. And then I'm going to do these music notes. My sister used to play violin, so that's cool. Put that there. And then we'll do another dark one. Fit perfectly. And then I'll do this kind of pink florally one up top here. And then I'll do the bows down here because I will just be working. Which, oh my gosh, I work in a nursing home, and everybody has influenza A. We have a lot of people in quarantine, or it's called isolation there, but it's crazy. I think that's it for this. I want to find a use for these, or I might put it on my like setup pages. But I think that's really it for this plan with me. It was short, quick, to the point, but this kid is super cute. It is my sister's birthday, so hopefully she appreciates it when I share them. That's it for this week. My next video you'll see is my March plan with me, so be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.